Good morning, sir. Myself Vishnu Saicharan. I am from Civil Department. So our topic is the pollution conveyed by urban runoff. A review of source. So review of source means a comprehensive examination and how much we can build and how urbanization impacts water quality through desired pollution pathways. Water quality crisis. Urban runoff. A major threat to water quality. Urban stormwater and snow melts significantly degrades surface water quality worldwide, carrying pollutants from impreviously services and directly into rivers, lakes, and coastal areas. As cities expand, runoff collects a complex minute of pollutants from roads, roofs, parking lots, and industrial areas, creating a persistent threat and aquatic ecosystems, and understanding these pollution sources is fundamental to develop effective mitigation and strategies and protecting and our water resources. And atmospheric decomposition invisible but impactable airborne sources and key contaminants and underestimated impacts. So these are the one of the purpose of atmospheric decomposition which is involved in attractively and airborne sources means industrial emissions, vehicle exhaust and long range transport deposit pollutants and urban surface through dry and wet decomposition and key contaminants and these metals lead mercury and nutrients nitrogen phosphorus, and emerging organic compounds and accumulate on surfaces. And underestimate impact means it is the one of the impact to despite being a major contributor, atmospheric decomposition remains one of the most overlooked pollution sources in urban management system. Vehicular transportation, the long-standing culprit. Tires, brakes, and debates petroleum products, metallic contaminants, microscopic rubbers, particles, and brake dust containing zinc, copper, and antimonic wash into waterways with every rain event. Petroleum products means motor oil, gas, gasoline, antifreeze, and other automotive fluids leak on roadways, creating toxic hydrocarbon pollutions and metallic contaminants means lead, zinc, and copper from industrial fuel, additive exhaust systems, and coding vehicle parts perfect in road dust. So, dis- despite advantages in emissions controls and clear technologies, traffic related pollutants contribute demonstrate urban runoff compositions, making transportation infrastructure a primary target for intervention. Metallic building materials a growing concern. Roofing systems and fan fade components knowledge gap. Roofing system means galvanized steel, copper flashing, and zinc roofing materials and covered overall releasing developed metals into storm water. Facade, facade components, modern architectural designs increasingly use metallic claddings that weather and leaches contaminants during precipitation events. Knowledge gap means construction material source has been historically under researched but represent an increasing significant contributor as it is modern. Emerging pollutants. The new frontier, a new generation of contaminants in entering entering urban waterways, challenges traditional stormwater management approaches and raising urgent questions about long-term environmental and health impact. Pharmaceutical and personal care products means medication and cosmetic and hygienic products enter runoff through improper disposal, water wash leaks and biosolid applications to urban landscapers. Microplastics means microscopic plastic fragments from tire wear and artificial turnoff and plastic products prepared urban runoff and concentration. Modern pesticides means containment and to despite regularly restrictions. Treatment challenges means conventional stormwater infrastructure was not designed to capture these emerging contaminants, requiring innovative treatment technology. Data obsolescence by old studies, historical baseline studies from 1970s to 1990s, documents from gasoline, phosphate, and industrial pollutants. Regular changes means it is one of the phase and clean air acts and dramatically over decades. New materials means contemporary construction vehicles and consumer products introduced novel components not present in historical data. Continuously monitoring means it is current reality demands updated characteristics studies to inform effective evidence based on storm water management. Natural versus anthropic source, natural contributes and orthogophic pollutants means soil and sediment, construction materials, and organic debris, vehicles emissions, atmospheric dust, urban activities. So naturally, wind more particles, pollens, and organic compounds settle on surface during by dry periods. Landscaping chemicals, de-icing salts, and litter and industrial process introduce complex contaminants so urbanization dramatically intensely both the quantity and complexity of polluted loads, transforming glacial hydrological systems into conducts for anthropic conditions. Implications and future directions. Ecosystem theater, so ecosystem urban runoff, pollutant disputes, aquatic food waste, and algal blooms and theatness biodiversity in receiving water source control evaluation means management studies and to continues for changing urban materials compositions. Research priorities means integrated monitoring programs and updated characteristics. Studies are carried from advertising based policy and engineering solutions. Conclusion: a dynamic challenge demanding vigilance. Diverse Diverse involving source means urban runoff pollutions, stream from atmospheric decomposition, vehicles, buildings, emerging that process that constantly change with technology, urban development, adaptive management means ongoing research, updated monitoring, protocols, and flexible regularly framework are virtual and protect water quality. Collection action means effective solutions require collaboration among to implement the control and green structure. The challenges of urban and static and is our too much understanding in management and pollution they generate. Thank you.